Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in previous part we have successfully rendered our render passes for our scene. Now we are going to compose these passes in Nuke. So here you will see I got these passes according to my render settings in Maya. Okay, so here you will see this is our beauty pass folder, this is our code direct pass folder, this is code indirect pass folder. Like this I got these render passes from Maya. Okay, so this is totally depend on your settings how you will get these passes. Okay, now here in Nuke first we have to import our footage, then simply click on image tab, then click on read. Okay, then just select your folder. So this is our footage. Okay, then simply click on open. Now see, just check here. Now see, this is our footage. Okay, now after this just I am going to import all our render passes. Okay, then again simply same, just click on read node and just select your render passes. Okay, so these are our render passes. Okay, so just simply I am going to import all our passes. Okay, so just this is first select beauty. Now here we have successfully imported our all render passes. Okay, so but here if you will notice that all render passes file names are same. Okay, so this is totally actually depends on your render settings in Maya. So just simply just if you want to little bit check here, so this is our beauty pass. Okay, and this is our like diffuse pass. Okay, but here if you will see all names are same. Basically this is totally depend on your render settings in Maya. So if you have any problem with these names, so you can simply rename your read nodes in Nuke. Okay, for better understanding. Okay, so just I am going to rename all nodes according to our render passes. Okay, so just first I have connected here and now see this is our beauty pass. So for renaming just simply double click on read node. Now here you can see, so this is our beauty folder. Okay, so this is our beauty pass. After this simply just click in node and here you can define. So this is beauty pass. Then second one just double click. Okay, just simply double click. Now here you will see this is our diffuse indirect. Okay, after this just simply click in node, then simply give a name. Okay, now here you can easily understand. Okay, so like this you have to rename all our passes. Okay, for better understanding. So till here we have successfully renamed our node according to our passes. Okay, so if you are facing any problem regarding these names, you can rename it. Now finally I am going to compose all these passes in Nuke. Okay, so this is our beauty pass, means this is our final pass. So same result we have to achieve with our all passes. Okay, so this is important. Okay, so same thing you have to achieve. Okay, now just little bit check our final output what we have to create. So this is our original footage. Now simply take merge node, now as a B and just final beauty pass as a. Now just check one. So same things we have to achieve with our these render passes. Okay, because with the help of these render passes we can manage individual element like diffuse, specular, coat, shadow, all these things. Okay, that's why we are going to compose all these passes and we have to achieve same result. This is important. Okay, so now just come here. So this is important. First you have to check diffuse indirect, diffuse direct, like specular indirect, specular direct, like coat direct indirect, like shadow. Okay, now we have to achieve same result with the help of our these render passes. Okay, so just unplug here. So for merging these render passes simply we have to take a merge node and simply we have to add all render passes. Okay, so just simply take a merge node, press M. So this is B, then first A, like this. Okay, then simply now just select this one and double click and simply in operation you have to select plus. This is important. Okay, so now again after this we have to just add this one, these ones. So again same, press M, like this, just simply with add operator plus. Okay, here just we have to select plus. Now press M. Now just double click and here we have to click on plus. Now here we have created our final diffuse pass. This is our final specular pass and this is our final code pass. Okay, shadow we will adjust in later. Okay, after this we have to just add these two passes. Okay, so now again take a merge node, so press M, this will be your background and this will be foreground, means P and A. Now again just click here, now simply press double click and in operation you have to click on plus. Okay, now finally again you have to take another merger, so just take M, this will be our background total result and this will be our foreground. Okay, simple. Now just again double click and simply you have to click on plus. Okay, shadow is not important for here because this is only for adjusting our shadow. Okay, so just keep it here, later we will explain how you can use this pass. Okay, so now after this just check here, if you want to check simply just select this one and press 1. Now here if you want to check you can check. So now if you want to little bit compare with our beauty pass, so you can compare. Now see, this is our beauty pass. Okay, so just again select this one and just press 1. Now see, beauty pass and this is our final composite pass. Now press 1, both are same, it means these compositing are accurate. Okay, now finally we are going to merge this compositing on our original footage, which is our original footage. Okay, so just simply come here and just simply we have to take another merger node, so just little bit adjust this passes here. Okay, now finally just take a merge node, so just I pressed M. Now finally here B means background, so original footage will be in B. Okay, and final this result means merge 6 will be our foreground. Now just here, now just finally select merge 7 and press 1. Now just view the result. Now here you will see, so in final compositing our car is little bit blending with our original footage. So this is the main problem due to our alpha channel. Okay, because till here just check, now I have selected merge node 6, now select and press 1. Now here if you will check alpha A, there is no alpha. Okay, so just we have to copy here alpha channel from our beauty pass, because beauty pass has a alpha channel. Now just select this one and just press 1 first. Now here just press A, means alpha channel. Now here you can notice alpha channel is there with our beauty pass. So just simply we have to copy these alpha channel from our beauty pass to our final render passes compositing. Okay, so for this simply just press A. Now for copying alpha channel I am going to use copy node, so press, now press simply K. So this is our copy node. B means in which you want to copy your alpha channel, so this will be our B. A means from where you want to take alpha channel, so just from beauty pass I am going to take our alpha channel. Okay, now just after this simply just select this one copy node and press 1. Now simply press A and check. Okay, now you can see here this is your alpha channel. Okay, now press A. So you have successfully copied your alpha channel from beauty pass to in our final render passes compositing. Okay, now just check our final compositing, so again select this one and press 1. Now here just check, so now here you will see this thing, this compositing with our render passes and this compositing, just select and press 1 with our beauty pass. So both are same, it means all flow and all compositing are correct. Now till here first just save our final project. Okay, now simply click on file, just give a name. So just I have given a name matchmoving_pf. Now simply click on save. Okay, so now here if you want to little bit use your shadow pass, so if you want you can use. Okay, now just simply come here, so just take another merge node. Okay, now just little bit, so just keep it here. Okay, so B means this will be our B. Okay, like this, and this will be A, whichever shadow difference pass. Now selected, and this we have to unplug and just connect here. Okay, now just see, now here as soon you connected this shadow difference bar, your shadow removed from here. Okay, so after this just simply select our shadow pass and just press G, grade node. After in grade node just gain value which is 1, you have to make it 0. Now same result you will achieve. Okay, now till here we have also adjusted our shadow pass. Now if you want to manage this shadow, so with the help of this grade node you can manage your shadow like this. Okay, so this is our shadow pass. If you want then you can use, otherwise leave it. Okay, so this is not important. Okay, so just still I have composed this pass. Okay, now finally till here we have successfully composed all our render passes in our final scene. Now if you want to adjust anything, so you can simply adjust with the help of any color correction or enhancement node. You can enhance your scene. Now first little bit, if you want to little bit adjust your colors, car color, if you want to change, then simply from here take this one and just simply press tab. Now hue shift, now just this one. Now from here if you want you can change your car color, just double click. Now hue rotation, just you can adjust like this. After this brightness also you can manage. Okay, after this if you want to add, you just add another grade node, press G. After this finally in a grade node just adjust a little bit again. Now here this is perfect. After this just come in again hue shift and you can adjust your hue colors, whatever color you want you can adjust. Okay, I think this is sufficient. Oh, okay, so according to your requirements you can manage all these things. Okay, now just come here. Now see, so just you have successfully adjusted our color. Later if you want to little bit adjust your coat, then simply select and press G, grade node, and you can adjust your gain. Okay, so different elements you can adjust here. Okay, little bit if you want to adjust your specular, then simply select and press G. After this just little bit again your gain node. So you can manage all these things. Okay, with the help of these different passes. Okay, so for enhancement you can add any required node for enhancing our final scene. Okay, so till here we have successfully composed our all render passes according to our scene. Remaining things you can adjust according to your scene and according to your requirements. Okay, so just simply save our final scene. Okay, now finally if you want to your original color car, then simply just select these node and simply press D for disable. Okay, so now finally this is our original car. Okay, after this you can also just little bit D for disable our grade node also. So now just play and check. So this is our final result, which is perfect. Stop and just move it here. Okay, so till here we have successfully just composed our render passes according to our scene. So in next class we will continue on multi-pass composting in Nuke. So if you like this video, please like, share and comments.